Alright YouTube, so we're going again. Remember I'm going to the first vlog with the unboxing of the phone kit. Now I am going to open this phone, which is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm going to work on it by myself. Please note, disclaimer out there, I am no professional. I am a DIY person. I like to do things myself. So with the guidance of YouTube and getting the necessary tools, I'm going to be using homemade stuff. Like we have to have this. This is gonna be the thing where we heat the glue that's just located underneath the screen. People, do not try this on your own. Please seek professional advisory or help to get your phones or any electronics fixed. Anything you see happens here. This is my personal phone, and I will be trying a repair concept I saw on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing a time lapse with it right now, trying to open this phone. Please be mindful. Again, seek professional help before you do anything like this. Let's go. So as you can see, it is now open. Very gentle and vigorous task. Not everything will be as smooth. I cracked the screen. I don't know if you can see it here, but I cracked the screen accidentally. But hopefully it doesn't look like there's any damage. It don't look like the glass itself just gone. But this is where the technical parts come now. So as I did tell you now, let me use this thing here to cool down back the phone, because I had the heat on it for quite some time, trying to ease off the glue. So let's put this on cool. Alright, so that's done for now. So may I get to the technical part now, soon be back. Alright, so may get around the phone. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to dislocate the screen, and I have my tools here ready to go. Yep, so I'm going to disconnect the screen and then search for the codes right here, and then start the thing. Alright, watch this. Yeah guys, so finally got the screen off. It is really quite not that technical if you just be very patient. Just be very patient, that's all. Don't try to rush anything, especially the fact that you don't know where any one of the most important parts are, and this is loaded with a lot of tapes. When I say tapes, I mean like information tapes. You don't want to break any of those. The side, you can see right here, you want to clean. Not ready to quite clean it. I wanted to solve all this screen problem before I take on any cleaning thing right now. Yeah, so let me just get to YouTube and memorize the legs of which one of the part I should scrape. So I'll be scraping somewhat right somewhere along, says the third line about here or so. So I'm going to look it up right now. Yeah guys, so the method I'll be using is the cigarette lighter, the electronic lighter. When you press it, it sends off a very high voltage. Right, so I am now located at D7, which is located to your left of the screen. Again, this is not my profession, I'm just going by instructions. So what I have here is the screen. So you count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to shock here, right here. So I scraped it off, scraped it, it's ready. So I'm going to put the screen back on and test. Let me get this thing ready, because this is going to be the moment of truth. Yeah, this is going to be the moment of truth. This will let me know if what they are actually doing on the internet makes sense, or they are doing things to mess up people. So I have my lighter sparker here ready, and I am going to point it like so. I will be doing that, just that. Woo! Feel that a while ago. Alright, so here goes nothing. I said before, disclaimer, this is my personal phone, this is nobody's phone. I'm trying this, you know, to see if I can discover something new. So I'm going to put back on the screen like so. Right, and I am going to put back on this one like so, but I won't put back the protectors on it because I'm not finished as yet. So that's 1, and this is 2 right there. So I'm supposed to see screen. Alright, here goes nothing, guys. Let's see if it actually works. So hey, listen to me now. I'm gonna try the next method, which is the jumper cable, because that one they obviously never work. Zin, now try the jumper cable. Smooth out. Alright, so obviously that part they never work. I don't know if I may do something wrong or what, but it never work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the second method, which is the jumper, which that one actually works, you know, but it's more technical. You don't know me, I run from challenge. I never run from a challenge. Even if it might cost me, I'm never running from a challenge, you know. Right, so this now I use again for now until I'm ready for it again. See? Put this as a no. So I'm going to be running a jumper from this side to this side. I'm going to test these now with the meter. See where I'm getting an error from. Because as I said before, nothing is wrong with the screen. It's just when the phone did update, it just white out. See? So I'm going to magnetize back this again. Alright, so forward now. Based on the diagram, let me see. That part they will locate upper so. Right, and right, that's what I represent here. So I guess I right inner so. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. So this would be the one for shock, and not the one I would do a while ago. This would be the one to shock. Right, this one. See? So now I scrape it and I try again. I just figure it out now. We're going to do a different method today. So it's going to be attachment 7 to attachment 9. So I'm going to solder a wire here, run it from that to this, and it should be okay. As you can see, my hand have a little bit of moisture, which can be caused by me sweating, and you know, in return to that, it cause static. I don't know why static mash up the board. So yeah, so 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here to here. Alright, go try that one. I want to see if it works. When you really have, I will search for the proper wire to use, I don't really have no thinner solder wire than this. So you know, me always make miracles work, so you don't make go so far again. As stated before, I do not have the micro solder gun. I only have this size, so I'm going to be using this on it. Because it's not way now having it, so you usually have, see, so that's the diagram right there. And I'm going to be doing it on this. So I'm gonna put this right off of it. Heat up. I have the stuff them prepared already. See there? Already prepared. So in a few, I'm gonna look some wire now to start them thing. So go. Bad news. So I was taking up this and it fell and it broke even more, and this time the screen got blank. So that's why I used the disclaimer earlier. So if you never do it on your own, make sure say you can buy back anything that has been damaged. So if I call this a quick go on Amazon with order one back to my cart again. So at least I try. Remember, I'm gonna put in this when it come by myself. Try for the leave is DIY. You know, the thing go. But there. Thanks again. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You know what I mean? So we can, interact certain way. Big up on yourself.